Hey everyone, this is Mike. I want to go ahead and show you real quickly on how to send an email on Gmail. It's actually real simple and easy. Let's just go right up here on this big red button that says Compose. Click that. Now this is the latest, newest version of Gmail that just recently came out. And so right here where it says to, this is where you would add somebody's email address. So I'll just add mine in here. Okay, once you get the email address that you're going to send somebody an email to, the next one is our subject line. Subject is, in my opinion, pretty important to put something in there. When you send somebody an email, they're going to get a brief description of what the email is about before they actually click and open it. So let me just write test run here. Okay, and then right below the subject line is the box here. This is where you can just write whatever you want. And I'll just write, this is a test run email. Okay. Once you get everything written out, and a good way to practice this is just go ahead and send yourself an email, and you can see how it's going to look. So once you get everything done, all you got to do is hit send, and it sends. And now look over here; it just went straight to your inbox. Click inbox. Of course, it comes from me, and here's where the subject is. It says test run right here, and it does start off on Gmail about what you're writing on it right there. So, anyways, I hope this helped you out, and be sure to like if this video helped you out, and you have yourself a good day.